Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to switch to professional account in Snapchat. So if you want to take your Snapchat content to another level and you want to start earning money on Snapchat, you have to switch to professional account. Here's how to do it. Open your Snapchat app, click on your profile at the top left corner. Now click on settings. You have to scroll down and look for where it says public profile settings. Click on your username. Now you have to scroll down and you see where it says switch to a professional profile. Click on it. It says get discover more easily, share content to reach new audience, access account insights, use your professional tools to learn more about your audience, unlock ways to make money, find partnership, see if you qualify for your story revenue share program. So you have to switch to a professional account if you want to earn money on Snapchat. Click on next. Now it's going to tell you to choose a category. If you're an actor, you select actor. If you're an artist, you select artist. If you're an athlete, select athlete. Depending on the stuff you want to create on Snapchat. If you're a brand or a business, you click that. Just choose your category, anything you want to choose. If you make videos about beauty and health, you click on this one. So depending on what you do, I'm just going to choose anything and click confirm. Welcome to professional profile. From now on, your Snapchat account is now switched to professional profile. So that's how you switch to professional profile on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.